Bro, oh my god. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Kyle Bark Vlogs. I'm Kyle, and today, or should I say tonight, we're gonna go outside and see how bad the weather is because, in my area right now, we are getting pretty much a little mini blizzard, so let's go check that out. So as you guys can see, I am literally in the middle of the road right now, and it is just looking nasty. Here you can see some of the ice spots because it was raining all day and then the temperatures dropped and it just froze over, so it's really slick in places. The snow's coming down so heavy right now and the wind's blowing so hard that it's causing snow drifts, and you can see where spots it's missed and then spots where it's like really heavy. And then I'll turn where the wind's blowing, and then you guys can see how hard it's snowing now. I don't think it's doing much justice. You kind of have to be in person to see it, but if you were in any part of the southwestern Ohio area and you experienced this, leave a comment down below and let me know where you were at and what the conditions were like. So that's pretty much it. All these cars are kind of iced over and everything. Alright, so I've came in, been inside for about 5 minutes now. My face is pretty red. I am still freezing cold. I'm actually glad to see snow like this because I really haven't seen snowfall like this since I was like 10. We did have a little snowstorm last weekend, but it was just like steady snow. This is like almost like blizzard type snow. And on my behalf, I love it. I know a lot of people out there hate it. So if you would comment down below and let me know if you like snow or you hate it. And also, if you are in any of these counties of Ohio, I just want to let you guys know I want you guys to stay safe, and if you don't have to get out, don't, because it is very dangerous out there right now. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you did like this video, drop a thumbs up on it and comment down below, ask me anything, even just drop a random comment saying anything. All my social medias are in the description down below. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next video. KBV out.